In today's tutorial, issues that hopefully resolve if your Ethernet is not working or you're not connected to the internet on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing is to ensure that your cable is properly secured to your computer as well as that it is in good condition. If all of that looks okay, then you can open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should say troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up and then select additional troubleshooters on the right panel. And underneath Get Up and Running, select the Internet Connection Troubleshooter. Go ahead and run that. And then see if it's able to identify your problem. If not, one other thing we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should say Command Prompt. Right click on it, run as administrator, and then select yes. First command would be ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. It says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Then you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, then hit enter. Once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and you will need to restart your computer at this time. So, pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.